What is statue? A statue is a freestanding sculpture in which the realistic, full-length figures of persons or animals or non-representational forms are carved in a durable material such as wood. The statue's full name is Liberty Enlightening the World. It was a gift from France, given to America in 1886. The head of the statue was displayed at the World's Fair in Paris in 1878. The robed female figure represents Libertas, the Roman goddess of freedom. She holds a torch and tablet upon which is inscribed the date of American Declaration of Independence, the 4th of July, 1776. The 7 spikes on the crown represent the 7 oceans and the 7 continents of the world, indicating the universal concept of liberty. The statue has an iron infrastructure and copper exterior which has turned green due to oxidation. Although it's a sign of damage, the patina, green coating, also acts as a form of protection from further deterioration. Edouard de Laboulaye provided the idea for the statue, while Frederick Auguste Bartholdi designed it. 300 different types of hammers were used to create the copper structure. The cost of the statue was funded by contributions from both the French and the Americans. In 1885, a New York newspaper entitled World announced that $102,000 had been raised from donors, and that 80% of this total had been received in sums of less than $1. The cost of building the statue and pedestal amounted to over $500,000, over $10 million in today's money.